Good morning, children. How are you all? So today our poem is The Quarrel. So do you quarrel with your brother or sister? Some of you can ask, ma'am, what is quarrel? What is the meaning of quarrel? So quarrel means fight. So now tell me, do you fight with your brother or sister? I know most of you will say that yes, ma'am, we always fight. So let's see. In this poem also, the poetess and there is a quarrel between the poetess and her brother. So first of all, we will see. So the poetess of this poem is Eleanor Farger. Eleanor Farger. Okay. So now we will recite this poem and we will discuss the phrases and difficult word meanings. Okay. So let's see. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. So here the poetess, one day the poetess quarreled with her brother. I don't know what about. She says that I don't know. I am not sure about the reason. I am not sure what the reason was. Means what happened, most of the time what happened, we start fighting. We recall all our past words, all past things. Means कि तुमने उस दिन मेरे साथ ये किया था, तुमने मुझे मारा था, तुमने उस दिन मेरा कहना नहीं माना था. तो लाइक दिस ना बहुत सारी पास्ट जो चीज़ें हैं पास्ट की वो हमें याद आने लगती है और हम उस रीज़न को ही भूल जाते हैं जिस रीज़न पे हमारा जो क्वारल है वो स्टार्ट हुआ था. राइट, होता है ना ऐसा. सो लाइक दिस जो पोएटेस है वो भी रीज़न भूल गई थी. मीन्स क्या हुआ कि उनकी फाइट बढ़ती जा रही थी, एक के बाद एक आर्ग्यूमेंट आता जा रहा था. तो शी वॉज नॉट श्योर बट द रीज़न वॉज वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर. मीन्स व्हाट हैपेंड, शी एक चीज़ के बाद दूसरी चीज़, एक आर्ग्यूमेंट के बाद दूसरा आर्ग्यूमेंट. मीन्स वन आर्ग्यूमेंट गेव बर्थ टू अनदर आर्ग्यूमेंट एंड somehow we fell out. और इस तरह से they started their fighting. और इस तरह से उनकी जो फाइट है वो स्टार्ट हुई. सो फेल आउट दैट मीन्स फाइट, quarrel. ओके. द स्टार्ट ऑफ इट वॉज स्लाइट एंड द एंड ऑफ इट वॉज स्ट्रॉन्ग. स्लाइट दैट मीन्स ग्रेजुअली, धीरे धीरे. ओके. So the start of the quarrel, the starting of the quarrel was very slight. कि बहुत ज़्यादा कोई छोटे से मैटर पे मीन्स in the beginning it was just like a little prank or fun. और कुछ टाइम के बाद में क्या हुआ कि उनका जो झगड़ा है, उनकी जो लड़ाई है, it became violent और strong. वो मतलब it became serious. बहुत ज़्यादा झगड़ा उनका serious होने लग गया था. The end of it was स्ट्रॉन्ग. मीन्स जब तक उनका झगड़ा मतलब वो झगड़ते रहे तो ऐसे ही उनका झगड़ा क्या होता गया, बहुत ज़्यादा वायलेंट होता गया और वो एक दूसरे को मारने लग गए. ठीक है. सो इट हैपन्स ना विद यू ऑल्सो कि जब भी आपका ब्रदर सिस्टर के साथ आपका झगड़ा होता है तो मीन्स लास्ट में क्या होता है कि बिल्कुल फुल ऑन फाइटिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है. तो लाइक दिस ही सेड ही वॉज राइट. नाउ द brother of the poetess was saying that he was right. मीन्स वो यही कहना चाहता था कि वो सही है और जो poetess है वो गलत है. But I knew he was wrong. But the poetess said that she was right and her brother was wrong. उसका brother जो था वो गलत. और it happens कि जब brother और sister में fight होती है तो हमेशा कोई भी मतलब खुद को गलत मानने को तैयार नहीं होता और वो हमेशा एक दूसरे को blame करते हैं. So now we will see the rhyme scheme of this stanza. Okay. So here you know about rhyming words like rhyming words like brother, another, about, out. So slight, white, strong, wrong. These are rhyming words. Okay. So what is rhyme scheme? When we indicate these sounds like with alphabets. See here, brother. We have written A. Okay. About, it is a different sound, so we have written B. And another, it has again a similar sound like brother, so we have written A. Fell out, about, out, so again a similar sound like about, so we have written B. Okay. Slide, it has different sound, so we have written C. strong, it has different sound, so we have written D. And right is similar sound like slight, so we have written C again. And wrong has similar sound like strong, so we have written D again. So this is the rhyme scheme of this stanza. So now let's see the next stanza. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Now the poetess was saying that after this quarrel we started hating each other, we stopped talking to each other, okay, and their afternoon turned black. Turned black, that means become boring, okay. So their afternoon became boring, and we can say unpleasant, and their afternoon has spoiled. Because what happened कि जो brother sister होते हैं ना, they play together in the afternoon, they play together and they do work together, they listen stories also ना. ऐसा होता है कि हम साथ में ग्रुप बना के स्टोरी सुनते हैं आफ्टरनून में, इवनिंग में. सो अगर हम आपस में फाइट करते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ बोलते नहीं हैं तो व्हाट हैपन कि हमारे लिए जो इवनिंग है, जो आफ्टरनून है, वो क्या होती है, बोरिंग हो जाती है. क्योंकि हमारे साथ कोई खेलने वाला नहीं होता, कोई भी बात करने वाला नहीं होता, कोई साथ में स्टोरी सुनाने वाला नहीं होता, ओके. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Thumped me, that means patted like थपकी देना, okay. So suddenly what happened, अचानक से क्या हुआ कि her brother came and thumped me on her back. उसका ब्रदर आया और उसने उसके बैक पे थपकी लगाई, पैटेड किया, ओके. सो why, क्यों किया उसने ऐसा? And said, oh come along. He was saying that come with me, we should play together, we should not go on fighting anymore, and we can't go on all night. मीन्स हम रात और दिन ऐसे झगड़ा नहीं कर सकते, अब हमें पैचअप कर लेना चाहिए, अब हमें बात करनी स्टार्ट कर देनी चाहिए. And I was, now the poetess felt that I was in the wrong. कि that time I was wrong and he was right, because those who wanted to finish the fight ना, they always right. वो हमेशा सही होते हैं जो फाइट को फिनिश करना चाहते हैं. And here his brother did the right thing in the last. So in the last his brother, her brother was right and she was wrong. Okay. Here see the rhyme scheme of this poem. Another, A, black, B, brother. Brother has similar sound like another. Okay, here so we have written A here, and back similar with black. So we have again written B. Okay, so A B. Alone has different sound. C. Night also has different sound. D. But wrong has similar sound like alone. Okay, so here we have written C, and right has a similar sound like night. So here I have written D. So this is the rhyme scheme of this poem. I know you are recalling your fighting with your brother and sister, है ना. ऐसा होता है कि जब हमारे सामने कोई बात की जाती है तो हमें सब कुछ याद आने लग जाता है, right? So I hope you like this poem.